The dirty truth of selling real estate. Are you guys ready for it? Are you ready? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Is that real estate agents don't wear underwear. All right, that was stupid. I didn't really think that joke would go over at all, but I was actually forced to say it. So no, but the reality of it is the dirty truth of real estate is that you need to speak to a lot of people. All right. Especially when you're new to this business, you may not have those relationships. So you need to go to networking events, prospect people, message people on Facebook. You need to call your friends, your family, your former coworkers. You need to get in touch with as many people as you possibly can, because we're in a relationship business, no matter which way you cut it. All right. People like to work with people they know, they trust, and they respect. It's actually a triangle. Know, trust, respect. What'll happen a lot of time is you know somebody, but you may not trust them, you may not respect them. So we've got to build all three of those. And when you're brand new to this business, it takes time. But I guarantee the more people that you speak with, I don't care if you're going out and passing out business cards at a Starbucks, you're going to get more comfortable mastering your craft. So everybody needs to make a goal to speak to 20 people. I'm going to repeat that, 20 people on a daily basis. And if you're brand new to this business, I'd say Monday through Sunday, you need to speak to 20 people to do this, whether you're making a phone call, whether you're going to Starbucks, whether you're going to a networking event. That's 140 people a week that needs to be added to the database. And that's a whole other video for how we're going to drip on them or stay in touch with them and do stuff like that. But we need to get over the fact that we need to talk to people. And the more people we speak with, the more opportunities we have. And the more opportunities we have, the more money we can make.